In this question, we practice using while loops to process a string. The given code provides a lot of structure for us already. There's a counter variable, I, and there's a while loop where in every iteration we do something with the ith character of s. The first thing that you should remember is that how I changes affects which characters of s we process. So for example, if we wanted to look at all of the characters of s, we would just increase I by 1 each time, so that we wouldn't miss any characters. And so you've seen this before. I equals I plus 1, increasing I by 1. However, for this question, we're not asked to look at every character of s. Instead, we're asked to look at every nth character in s. So if n were equal to 1, we would be looking at every character. But if n were equal to 2, we'd be looking at every other character. And we can accomplish that by increasing I not by 1 each time, but by n each time. Doing this will make I take on the values 0, n, 2n, 3n, etc. That is, it'll take on all the multiples of n, and this is exactly what we're looking for, because we only want to look at every nth character in S. So that fills in one blank. What about the other? Well, when do we want the loop to stop? And that's pretty easy. We want the loop to stop after I has gotten too big. That is, after I has increased past the actual length of the string. Based on what I just said, you might be tempted to write, well, when I is past the length of the string, that's my loop condition. But this is incorrect, because I being greater than the length of the string is when we want the loop to stop. On the other hand, the loop condition tells us when we want to keep going, not when we want to stop. So I'm just going to reverse this. And I'm going to say, while I is less than the length of s, do the body of the loop. Let's run this code. Copy this example. And indeed, we get the right answer. Awesome.